Hey guys, there's a free gift from Swiggy Instamart. Are you interested to know what's the gift? Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you are all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, we have got many offers this year end. You can go check it out. This rice we have got for 40% off, and also a coupon is being applied at the checkout as you see in the picture. 140 rupees coupon is available. You can also buy if you want. We have got it for 1269 rupees. Okay, not only rice is at offer, but we have got many other staple foods at offer prices. You can go check out the grocery also at 50% off. As you see in the picture, we have ordered these items at 50% off. And you can see the Christmas cap. We have got it for just 26 rupees, and you can claim 100 off or discount at the checkout by applying a coupon, which I'll give you in the description box. And for now, if you want a gift box, the minimum order value should be 299 rupees and above, then only you'll get a gift box. And not only that, a coupon code should be applied at the checkout, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. You can get free delivery without minimum order clause if you add New Year party stuff. Okay, as you see in the picture, this is the free gift from Swiggy Instamart. A starter pack, as you see in the picture. These were some of the items that are in the box. We have fruity, we have mixture, chips, 5-star chocolate, and a calendar. A resolution also is given, which you can use in the new year for yourself, right? These items would worth 100 rupees for sure. Now we'll see how to order free gift from Swiggy Instamart and apply the coupon at the checkout. If you want a free gift, as you see in the picture, go to Swiggy app. Right on the home screen, you will see Instamart. Click on that. After you click on Instamart, here you can see a free gift which says grab a free party box, and you can click on offers. And if you want this box or the free gift, you have to add to the cart 299 worth items or 300. You can go check out the crazy deals or the discount zone to avail more offers. Here you can see a lot of food stuff at 50% off, and you will have grocery as well with household essentials. You can check out. Really, this is a crazy deal store, right? And after adding to the cart, the product's worth 299 rupees. Go to cart as shown in the picture. Now click on apply coupon. Once you click on that, you have to apply a coupon as shown in the picture as Welcome Party, WELCOMEPARTY party. After applying the coupon, make sure that your cart is added with this Welcome Party box or free gift as shown in the picture. Otherwise, you will not get a free gift box from Swiggy Instamart, though you have applied the coupon. Okay, after making sure that the gift box is added to the cart, then you can place your order and enjoy your free gift. That's it all for today. If you've got any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Happy New Year.